Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making banana bread. It's going to be super fun. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, in a bowl you're going to sift together the dry ingredients, the flour, the salt and the bicarb, and set aside. Alright, next, in a separate bowl you're going to add your wet ingredients and whisk until incorporated. Add in 3 small bananas and blend until completely smooth using a stick blender. Now it's time to fold in your ingredients. You're going to fold in the flour, salt and baking soda until just combined. Now grease a non-stick pan with butter and quarter flour. Preheat your oven to 215 degrees and bake for 8 minutes. Then lower the oven temperature to 175 and bake for an additional 30 to 50 minutes until skewer insert it comes out clean. Then remove from the oven and cool in the tin for about 5 minutes. And then remove from the tin, continue cooling on a wire rack for about an hour. And there you have it, banana bread. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Overripe. It'll be in the description down below as well. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.